Overall, buyer activity is steady, but activity is slow or even limited in counties such as Kent, Talbot, Worcester, and Somerset. It's Friday, June 26, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Eastern Shore Report. Inventory rose slightly to 2,428 active properties on the Eastern Shore. The median list price is just slightly less than recent weeks at $418,420. Coming soon properties rose to 137 properties with a median list price of $467,900. New contracts rose 9.3% from last week to 164 properties with the median list price of $367,267. And it took a median 39 days before receiving a contract. 134 properties sold in 19 days at 96.9% list to sold ratio with a sold price of $399,250. This is adjusted downwards 1.7% this week. There are 134 rental properties. This report, the median rent is $2,100 per month. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, June 26th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.